everybody, Homer Simpson here, and you're watching the smartest show on the interweb, Finance. Before we start talking about the green stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's easier than trying to get gum out of Lisa's hair, trust me. So, today I want to talk about where your money goes. Not your beer money, that goes to Mo. I'm talking about the big money. The stuff the government guys take from your paycheck for, things. Imagine Springfield. Mayor Quimby gets on TV, all slick and shiny, and says, "My fellow Springfieldians, I'm gonna build a new hospital and fix the monorail track. And finally put out that tire fire that's been burning since my grandpa was a kid. All I need is your money. Lots and lots of your money." And we all say, "Woohoo! No more tire smell." We give him our hard-earned cash because he's the mayor, he promised, and he wears that fancy sash. It's like when Marge promises a pork chop dinner. You just trust her. But then, time passes. The hospital never shows up, the monorail is still busted, and the tire fire? It's now a tourist attraction. But looky here! Mayor Quimby's got a new summer mansion in Capital City with a solid gold jacuzzi shaped like his own head. You look at your empty wallet and you look at his new jacuzzi and you just gotta say, "Don't!" That, my friends, is called corruption. It's when someone you trust with the cookie jar eats all the cookies and then blames Bart. Let's break it down. Say, a big sickness hits Springfield. The duff ends up. Everybody's burping uncontrollably. We need special masks to contain the burps. Mayor Quimby says, I have a solution! My nephew Quimby, sells the world's best anti-burp mask. So, Nephew Quimby tells the mayor in secret, "Listen, Uncle Mayor, these masks are just paper towels with a string. They cost 10 cents to make." And Quimby says, "Excellent, but you're gonna tell the town they cost $10 each. You say they're made from magical, space-age fibers." Nephew Quimby asks, "But, what about the other $9.90? The mayor whispers, "That's for us. $4.90 for you, and a nice round $5 for me, your beloved mayor." They put 'em in fancy boxes with a picture of Dr. Hibbert laughing, so you know they're legit. We're all scared, so we pay up. Our burps ain't contained, but their pockets are full. This is called a kickback. It's like if I pay Lenny to say my bowling ball is the best, and then I use the town's money to buy 100 of my own bowling balls. Everyone gets a terrible bowling ball, but me and Lenny are eating steak. But it gets worse. So they get the contract to fix the Springfield Bridge. They promise it'll be made of super strong steel. Instead, they build it out of old popsicle sticks and chewed bubble gum from under the seats at the movie theater. A car falls in a pothole and ends up in Mr. Burns' office. He was not happy. Or maybe he was. It's hard to tell with that guy. The first time it rains, the whole road washes away and everyone's stuck. Quimby just blames the weather. What a sneaky... This is called fraudulent administration. It's when you're supposed to be watching the donut fryer, but instead you sell all the donuts for a profit and replace them with painted bagels. People are gonna notice, especially me. And you get the real crazy stuff. Imagine Quimby says he's selling healthy, vitamin-packed Krusty-O cereal to Capital City. A noble cause! But inside the boxes, half of it is cereal, and the other half is... illegal Canadian maple syrup. The really good stuff you can't get here. And who helps him? Chief Wiggum! The guy who's supposed to stop the illegal syrup trade! Quimby just gives Wiggum a lifetime supply of free donuts to, look the other way when the sticky trucks go by. Meanwhile, the people of Springfield are starving for good cereal. But then, my little Lisa gets suspicious. She sees the budget numbers and says, "Dad, the town's budget for cereal could have bought every family a pony." But all I see is sticky roads. She finds a napkin from the Krusty Burger with all the secret syrup deals written on it. When they get caught, Quimby blames Wiggum, Wiggum blames Snake Jailbird, and somehow it all ends up being Hans Moleman's fault. Poor guy. So what's the lesson here? You gotta be smart with your money, because there's always a Mayor Quimby waiting to promise you a monorail and give you a pothole. Whether it's the government's money or your money, you have to pay attention to where it's going. Invest today, so tomorrow you can buy more donuts.